beautiful day.
It is. I got a hankering for something fatty, and I don't mean your mum.
Let's go get some
Let's
chips.
go get some chips.
You want to get some chips burger? It smells good. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
The important part of walking with chips, you're going to rip a corner open and eat them straight out the bag on the way.
If you've got the might that I have, rip. Uh-oh.
Oh, what have you done?
The dogs have been at it, right? Ow, hot.
Oh, hot.
Oh,
Good?
what hot for them? Oh. Well,
Here we are at the beach.
so
You got to get a beautiful day.
first thing with the beach. No shoes.
All right, let's do it.
It's a family tradition. So we do have a rule that when you're on the beach, you take your shoes off. You always wear bare feet. But it's cold today.
Freezing!
We're not really on the beach.
We're on the beach.
Yeah, so we'll keep our shoes on. You know how you say it hangs around like a bad smell? Well, in New Zealand, it's like seagulls around a hot chip. You can hear one now. I've
Here she
smelt
comes.
Smelt them already. Wow.
Careful, careful, careful. Watch the hole.
That'll be right. Bit of sand never hurt anyway.
Yes.
Now we're talking. Now we're
Look
talking.
at that.
Oh, Kiwi tradition. You can't eat hot chips without tomato sauce.
And you've got to have tomato sauce out of a tomato. I mean, obviously.
Yeah.
Sauce it. Let's go.
That's right.
No, not on top. Make a pile next to it, you madman.
Just throw it all over them.
You are a devil spawn. Put it on the side.
All over.
On the side.
That way you don't miss any.
You're the kind of chaotic energy I don't need in my life.
Oh, hang on. There's a crispy one. Squirt. Squirt.
And there's never enough, always.
It makes a very appetizing sound.
Oh, you're squishing the tomato.
He didn't fill this up.
I didn't want to waste all our sauce. You're meant to shake it so the sauce is at the top before you squeeze.
What the? It's squid now. It's Eating hot chips. It's a great experience. But at the beach, it's that little bit extra, right?
Oh, hear that? Yeah!
Eating frenzy. God, eat my children. There's some dude trying to ride a bike in the sand. So what we got now though is we're going to finish with a iconic New Zealand lolly.
It's a K-bar. So it's like a toffee, but
Harder.
really hard.
Rip your fillings out or any old teeth are coming straight out.
And we're hoping these are melted just a little bit so that we can eat them.
I just put them in the fridge, so on the freezer. So got it. Tastes damn good though, and the eating is a real experience.
Keeping this?
Not anymore. It's trolleyed, mate. My mighty fists of power crushed it. Good girl. Back to the gym. That's the problem. You don't see what happens after the movie. You've got to hit the damn gym.
You see the 2 minutes of eating, you don't see the 2,000 hours of working out,
Sweat and
pumping
pain.
iron.
Sweat and pain. Well,
You go.
you go.
Thank you.
No, you go.
So Wear My Hat is awesome. Feel free to check out our other videos. We'll tell you how Kiwis do stuff.
Yep.
And feel free to try your own chips at home and see how that goes.
No one's more Kiwi than us.
No one's definitely more Kiwi than us, mate.
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 Mate. See you, mate.
Sure.
Good tucker.